Hi guys! This is again Rhoda and welcome back to my channel! In this video, we are going to show you something new. Yeah, it's new here in Germany, but I think it's around a month already, 1 month old in the US and so. But here we are going to do it first hand as a trial. It's just 1 week I think here in Germany. So the unboxing will be about one product from Nintendo Switch. So it's called the Ring Fit Adventure. I want you to see it firsthand, so it's still locked. It's still sealed, not yet really open. I haven't seen it yet personally, how it looked like. It's just I saw it on the videos online, in YouTube also. So yan, ito try na natin siya. I'll open it and I will let you see it first. Medyo mahirap buksan. Ooh, there. So, dahil tayo ay nagpapaka-healthy, buff, health conscious, maybe this one would help us. We're enjoying playing and also working out. Whip, 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 whip. Whip, 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 whip. So on the first, as you open it, ito na yung game. The Ring Fit Adventure. So, yan siya. So, try din natin to. And then underneath, is the ring where we should put parang pang bata. Actually, pang bata nga naman kasi nga. So, ito naman dito ilalagay yung Joy-Cons for the arms. Flexible. Pero medyo mahirap i-bend. At napanood ko kasi sa mga videos. Ginaganyan. At tapos hinihila. Tiring. Tapos eto guys, dito din ilalagay yung Joy-Con. It's for the thighs. So, hindi natin siya, ewan ko ha, kasi yung sinapanood ko, hindi siya kayang dayain. Na kapag kunwaring konting taas lang ng isang leg, eh counted na siya, which is nadadaya like sa PS4 before kasi may binili akong PS4. Bumili ako nun just for this dance craze nila. Pero ayun na, nadadaya siya. Ito, dito natin lalagay yung Joy-Con. Tapos itatali siya sa leg. So, eto na yung dalawang yun. Isi-set up na natin and we will try this. I will get back to you. I have to walk, guys. I'm so tired. Yan ako sa taas.
Continue.
Yeah!
Well, guys, the world is in big danger, but Roda is just walking.
Oh, what happened?
You have to run!
I don't want this anymore. I'm so tired. What? So guys, ayoko na. Pagod na ako. So ito na yung in-unbox natin. Ang Ring Fit Adventure. So, tatapusin ko na yung video na to. Nag-enjoy naman ako kaso nakakapagod siya.
Test your pulse.
Okay, I will just check my pulse. My pulse. So, but I think that it's at 180. Just like with that when I'm running. See? 109. Oh my god, I burned 24 calories for this 3-minute workout. 3-minute game. So, yun po. Mapaalam na ako. Bye!